Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change video quality on Bigo Live. If you want to stream Bigo Lives with clearer visuals and smoother performance, then you can simply improve or change the quality on your Bigo Live app. Launch open Bigo Live application on your Android or iOS device and log into your account. After you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner, and this will open up your profile. From your profile section, tap on Settings or the gear button at the top right corner, and under Settings, click on Video Quality. Now go ahead and choose your preferred quality options. You can select full high definition, standard, or auto options. If you want better or clearer visuals, then you need a strong internet. If you do have that, then you can tap on full high definition option. If you want a balanced option, you can tap on the standard definition or the high definition according to your preference and your device. So after you make a selection, you can get back and start watching a live stream, and the new quality setting will apply automatically. That's how you successfully change your video quality on Bigo Live. If this tutorial was helpful to you, make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Wake&Tech for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.